Welcome to another edition to Savory Sides, and these are side dishes you can use at home or bring to a barbecue. They're fantastic. And today we're making glazed carrots. So right now I have one package, 16-ounce package of baby carrots, and I prefer the organic. They're just much tastier. And use put 1 cup of water with maybe a quarter of a teaspoon of salt in water, and once it comes to a boil, you place your carrots in. So obviously these have been cooking, and the water is almost gone. So you keep the pan covered for the whole time it's cooking. It takes about, I would say, 12 minutes, okay? And then you mix up this mixture. I've already done some of it. 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. You may also use light brown sugar or regular sugar if you prefer. And then I'm going to lower this now as far as the carrots. Okay, I'm going to bring it to a warm so that it doesn't burn the carrots, because they're done, they're ready. But I just want to explain this to you. So I take 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil for now. Okay, and I use the extra virgin olive oil. Then we're going to add to that some ginger, and I really love these. This is so convenient, and it's very good. So I take 1 teaspoon of ginger. Okay, can you see this? Add that. And 1/4 teaspoon of dried coriander. Okay, there you go, just about that. Mix them up. Now we might add more olive oil if necessary, but just to get this mixture going. This is really delicious, by the way. Okay, now I'm going to take off the lid. Don't mind my cat. And we already put just 1/4 teaspoon of salt into the water, and that's it. We don't want to add any more salt. We have sugar now. Okay? I push them all over to one side. And I'm going to pour this over. And you can use as much as you want, as little as you want, but this is a good ballpark average, you know. Okay, now I'm going to add, so when you look at them, you can see it might need a little bit of olive oil. So I'm going to add just a touch. Maybe, I would say maybe 1/2 teaspoon more. Yeah, this is a whole teaspoon. Let's see. Yeah, almost a teaspoon. Okay? But that wasn't full. I hadn't filled it up. Okay. Now mix your carrots in. Mix them all up. They're very hot right now, so they will take in those beautiful flavors. add the last teaspoon of olive oil at the end, because sometimes, you know, you might not want that extra olive oil. So you don't have to use it. Okay. And then I just take a little parsley, and I'm using one of these little cups, and these are really convenient. You can buy them at the supermarket, keep them in the refrigerator. If you don't use much parsley or other herbs, you know, you can pick some of this up, and it's fresh. Lasts about a month, I think. And that's it. It's done. Those are your carrots. Now I'll show you how to package them if you're going to a barbecue. I picked up these really nice little tins, and they come with a cover that goes over them. So you just take your carrots, I hope you can see this, and just put them in your tin. And they have just enough glaze to be sweet, but not overly sweet. And that's what you want. You want it to taste very natural, but that really sweet flavor. And then to top it off, just to look good in this little container, you can put another dab of fresh parsley.